Have you ever experienced that? You want to create something, write, design, or craft. But suddenly, your mind goes completely blank. White noise, no ideas, no flow, nothing. Or maybe you have an idea, but it feels vague and elusive. You sense there is something, but you cannot get a clear picture of this. In this video, you'll discover a skill that will change that forever. A skill that can fundamentally transform the way you create, and it's called inner visualization, a true power tool for creative people. Hi, I'm Reinhard Flatischler, and in this video again we are diving into a practical experience because I love sharing everything related to rhythm with you. So you can discover how rhythm supports health, creativity, and inner growth. With inner visualization, you can not only overcome mental blocks, you also gain direct access to your imagination and your creative source. This technique helps you to see your ideas before you manifest them. You will learn to mentally walk through sequences and structures before you manifest them. And you will be able to develop creative projects from the inside out and resolve blocks before they hold you back. You don't need any prior knowledge or even meditation experience, just the curiosity and the willingness to turn inwards. And the best part, it's always available for you. No notebook, no tools needed. If this powerful tool sounds interesting to you, and if you want to experience inner visualization in action, stay tuned, because at the end of this video I'll guide you through a visualization exercise. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to this channel for free and hit the bell so you don't miss any valuable inspiration or experience. And if you already want to dive deeper, and if you want to know the relationship between visualization and rhythm, sign up for the free beginner course I have linked for you below. Creativity is not a coincidence. It's a skill that can be trained. Through inner visualization, you can become a conscious creator of your ideas. Think you're not gifted enough? Think again. Every person on this planet has the ability that can be developed on inner visualization, can be trained just like muscles at the gym. And the following exercise will greatly help you to open that inner channel. Maybe when you close your eyes for the first time, you might not see anything, and that's okay. But if you keep on trying, this channel will open quickly through the right exercise, and then you'll have access to a powerful skill that was previously hidden. Inner visualization is not daydreaming. It's the focused creation of inner images. You don't think, you see with closed eyes. And with this, you gain access to deeper layers of your perception, beyond the intellectual mind and beyond control. In this state, your pineal gland, one of the most powerful centers in your brain, becomes active, and it acts like an amplifier for your imagination. This can open your third eye, the subtle point in the middle between your eyebrows that's connected with intuition, clarity, and inner guidance. In the upcoming practice, we'll focus exactly on this, activating your pineal gland. Stay open without pressure. In some parts, it might feel more difficult, in other parts, easier. Sometimes images might vanish, in other parts, images might be very bright. That's totally normal. Your inner vision will grow stronger with every experience. So, let's begin. Before we start, another important thing. The whole inner visualization is recorded in 3D. And in order to get the best effect out of this, if possible, use headphones. I invite you to settle down where your pineal gland is and open up your inner vision around you. Imagine that you are in the center of a clock dial that runs all around you. In front of you 12, behind you 6. On your left side is 9, and on your right side is 3 o'clock. Now start to establish a blue vertical line, a line that is pulsating, getting brighter and darker in a regular rhythm. You can now also hear a sound that comes from this 12 o'clock position. Now visualize a red circle from which you only can see the periphery, also at 12 o'clock. With the circle, you can now hear a continuous sound appearing at 12. So, the pulsating sound represents the blue vertical line. The ongoing sound represents the red circle. The blue vertical line divides the red circle exactly into 2 equal halves. Now take time to move the red circle from its original position gradually towards 11, 10, and finally to 9 o'clock, and let the sound guide this movement. Hold the circle for a moment in this position, right next to your left ear, before you move the circle gradually back to 12 and further on to 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. Pause the circle here as well for a moment. And when you now move the circle back to its original position, the blue vertical line again divides the circle into 2 equal halves. Now imagine that you have a color dimmer that allows you to dim the blue color out of the vertical line more and more. At the same time, you hear how the pulse connected with this vertical line also gets softer and softer. And when all color has vanished from the line, it becomes invisible, the sound inaudible. The only thing remaining is the ongoing sound of the red circle at 12 o'clock. Observe now how behind you at 6 o'clock a yellow golden triangle appears, and with it new sounds. The red circle is in front of you, the yellow golden triangle behind you. And now let them gradually move towards you. And in this process, see them grow in size. Now when they finally arrive where you are, they encompass you and form an intense glowing orange light. Let this light stimulate your pineal gland. Now they start to separate and move on. The triangle towards 12 o'clock, the circle towards 6 o'clock. Further and further until they disappear in the far distant horizon in front and behind you. And with this, the sounds also fade into silence. As you slowly come back from your experience, take your time to feel what has shifted during our journey. Maybe at times you felt impatient or stressed, unable to keep up. Even if you managed to do only a fraction of what I suggested, it's already a huge step forward. And maybe some things felt too complex. No problem. Just remember the red circle and the blue line. Close your eyes from time to time and try to visualize those two shapes. Try to move them in relation to each other. With some practice, you'll manage to move them in any direction. Of course, that is just the beginning. And this journey isn't linear. As soon as you start working with inner images, they naturally evolve into landscape, structures, sequences, and shapes that your intuition can grasp and you can put them into reality. So don't forget to activate the bell and sign up for the free beginner's course that I have links below. Until next time, and keep on growing.